Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create smooth blur effects to your clips in CapCut. So here I've already imported a clip, and what you need to do is just go to effect first, add the oblique blur that you can find under the opening and closing category. Okay, let's find oblique blur. Okay, can't seem to find it. Wait a second. Okay, I just searched it. So this one, edit, click on the check icon. Now place the effect or make the duration around 1/3 of the clip, like this. Then set the blur to 100 and also do rotate. Now add keyframes at the start. At the start here, middle, and the end. Okay, now in the middle on this or the second keyframe, set the blur to around 50, and at the end set it to 0. Click on the check icon. So now duplicate the effect and do it like this. So make it short, then adjust it and make the blur like this, and then duplicate again, shorten it, and change the blur again. Okay, now you can just copy the effect 3 times, copy each effect like this, and you'll be done. So this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on thanks. Bye.